Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day to teach you, to guide you and to practice with you all beautiful practitioners. To all the new joinees who are joining us for the first time, or if this is your first week with Times Health Plus, I hope this session, these sessions, this whole journey of you with Times Health Plus goes amazing from here and you're able to show up every day and you're able to stay consistent and you can always practice with a smile on your face. You can arrange for chairs, okay, during today's practice since we are practicing balancing. Especially अगर आपको लगता है कि balance आसानी से नहीं होता है, आपको मुश्किल होती है, you can always keep something close by like a wall or a chair to do it supported, okay. I would also love if you could keep a band with you, a band with a strap. अगर आपके पास नहीं है, it is okay. You can arrange for a dupatta, any long piece of cloth, okay. If you have a strap, goodie bag winners, you already have it. Bring it, keep it on your mat, ready. So just make sure you have all of these things ready. You have your yoga blocks, you have your strap, you have a chair. अगर आपके पास ये सब नहीं है, that's okay. You can still practice. Yoga never restricts you with props, remember that. But it's just that your practice gets a little more convenient if you have these props, okay. You can also have a sip of water. And once you're ready with everything, people, you can just go back. You can just surrender and we will begin our practice. Okay, so today's class is about balancing, right? Now, शुरू में मैंने आप सबसे कहा कि balancing define करें, okay? आप सबके अपने अपने definitions होंगे. But if I have to define balance technically, scientifically, what is balance? If I talk about the body, balancing is each time your center is above the base, okay? अगर अभी मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, if I'm able to balance here, it's because my stomach, my center is above my feet, my base. अगर मेरा center base के ऊपर ना हो, then I will not be able to stand, right? I won't be able to balance. So balancing का मतलब केवल यही है कि अगर आपका center आपके base के ऊपर stacked है, then you will be in a balanced position, okay? And this applies to other areas of your life also, not just in your yoga practice. If everything is in a state of equilibrium, if there's a lot of control and stability and ease, then the balance will occur naturally. So आज की practice केवल postures में restricted नहीं है. It is actually a lesson for us to be more balanced as we step out of the mat also. Okay. Let's understand the first thing, everyone. We are now practicing our dynamic Tadasana. Okay, we all know what Tadasana is. We're just gonna do a dynamic Tadasana. इसके लिए हम हाथों को इस तरीके से ऊपर ले जाएंगे. Just watch me first, and you will try to lift your heels up and down slowly. Heels up and down. Now this is easy, very very easy, but यहाँ हमें बहुत ध्यान से ये practice करनी है, making sure that our stacking, okay, your joint to joint stacking does not go for a toss. यानी कि अगर आप ऊपर जा रहे हैं तो ऐसा या फिर ये या फिर overarching, all of these things don't happen, okay. If you want to make it easy, you can just keep your hands on your waist. You can keep your feet hip distance, that is also okay. Just slowly go up and down, okay. इसे साथ में practice करते हैं 10 बार everyone with me. आप हाथों को ऊपर या कमर पे रख सकते हैं, that's absolutely up to you. We go 1 and down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down. Continue everyone in your own time, continue. Make sure that you have a point fixed in front of you. So you are staring at a point, ekagra drishti, one pointed focus. That will help you balance nicely, okay. Finish. Very very slowly with attention. Okay everyone, if you're done, rest, relax. The whole idea of practicing this was to maintain the balance even as you rise up on the balls of your feet. Even as you pick up your heels, are you still able to balance in your life? Just how life throws challenges on our face, okay? It keeps on throwing challenges every day, and we have to just come out, we have to face our problems, and we have to come out stronger and better. So the same way as I'm challenging you with the heels up, heels down, are you able to balance or not? And it all depends on your mindset, your approach, how calm are you as you're practicing. अगर आप बहुत ही rushed state में या anxious या stress होकर practice करेंगे, balancing will never happen, okay? Balance will only happen when the mind is relaxed, the body is relaxed, you have a gentle smile on your face, everything sort of is in a state of balance, and then the posture will also happen, okay? इसी के साथ अब हम अपना posture practice करेंगे. Now we will do a hold everyone, okay? We will do our Tadasana and we will try to hold it for 10 counts. इसमें हम सब हाथों को ऊपर ले जाएंगे and you will go up on your toes as high as possible and you'll really try to hold it here. यहाँ पे one important tip, okay? As you go up, focus on my feet everyone. मेरे पैरों को ध्यान से देखें. As you go up, try not to shift weight on the outside like that, okay? Otherwise things like these will happen. So what you want to do instead is make sure कि आपका inner line of the leg, यानी कि आपका big toe, आपके inner calves, आपका inner leg fully engaged हो. There is a nice zipping going all the way up, so you're fully engaged, and then you go up instead of this dancing happening, okay, which is not even nice for your ankles. So हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारा inner line of the leg, अंदर की तरफ जो भी muscles हैं वो engaged हो, and we together go up like that. Let's practice it for 10 counts. Maintain your ekagra drishti everyone. Arms up, one deep breath, inhale. We rise up on the toes, we stay, we hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Amazing everyone, good job. That was your simple balancing, simple fundamental posture for us to understand balancing. I will now sign off. I will see you in the next class. Till then, you know the drill. Keep your spine up, keep your posture erect, a big smile on your face, be kind, polite, generous to yourself and to everyone around you, and always stay grateful. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.